I got a 2016 F-150. Well, actually, I went through a couple brands before I got to merge screens. So I did try merge, decided on merge screens just because of the way it was advertised, as far as being able to easily be installed, and everything else was to sync in place and be able to function properly. Because apparently the ones I got before weren't properly functioning, so I had to try out a new one. No, not too many doubts. It was actually the one I felt most comfortable about when I was purchasing them, just because of display, how you guys display the website and everything. It was very informational. So, it was fairly easy. Most of it was all plug and play. Say definitely easy.
Okay, did you do it yourself?
I did it myself, yes. I would say just because I had, a little bit of experience, because I had prior screens before I got to this one as far as taking it out. But I would say I got it in within an hour. The customer support and the assistance was actually fairly amazing. I actually had issues with a few other screens before this, and actually had no tech support service. So when I came across this one, it was very easy actually, and very communicable, and informational. So the size, the clarity, and the functionality, as far as everything works, and like the SIM card support is a big thing for it, I think. Yeah, the YouTube app. I mean, I've went through a couple other screens, and that was pretty much where they draw the line. When it comes down to the YouTube app and the actual Google Play Store and whatnot, so you can have your own apps. The other ones, they give you the apps, and that's the only ones that you can use. So that was definitely a big part of it. Yeah. I think I've used all my internet, but
okay.
it just works. It's just a little slow right now, but I got it up, and it works.
You actually also put a background
on the yeah. I put a background on it. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Not very much things. I would say, I guess the only thing I don't like, there's kind of a glare when I'm on this side and I'm driving here. There's a kind of a big glare depending on what I'm watching, but I still have the plastic on here, so I don't know if I take it off if it'll help, but I'm still cautious about taking it off. You can see I got a little scratch here, but it's on the plastic, it's not on the screen, so hesitant to take that off. But I was looking into maybe like a screen protector, an anti-glare screen protector or something like that. Yeah. Absolutely. I've gone through a couple of these already, and this one has stuck with me the longest for good reason. You know what I mean? It has everything that I need, and it's very useful, functional, and it works great.
Okay, awesome.
With the experience, I wouldn't really change anything. Like I said, my only complaint issue I have would be the glare on it, but that's not like a deal breaker or the biggest thing, you know what I mean, that I have against it. So I have no issues with it, really. It's a great product.